If you're looking to earn money online and want a clear, practical path to start making income from anywhere, this video is for you. Today, we'll walk through how to start an affiliate marketing business and set yourself up for long-term success, all with the tools and resources on our website, valueplusmore.com. By the end of this video, you'll have an actionable plan and, even better, access to free resources like our 4-step challenge, a free webinar, and our exclusive VIP members community. Plus, if you want guidance on the go, download our Profit Academy app, free on Google Play Store. Why affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. With no need to create your own products, you can promote products or services you genuinely believe in. By recommending items you love, you can earn commissions from purchases made through your unique affiliate links. The great part is, anyone can start, and it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur. The key to success is having a step-by-step plan and the right support, which is where valueplusmore.com comes in. Step 1. Start with the 4-step challenge. If you're completely new to affiliate marketing, head to valueplusmore.com and check out our 4-step challenge. This challenge is designed to take you through the essentials: choosing a niche, finding products to promote, creating your online presence, and getting traffic. It's perfect for beginners and ensures you cover all the foundational steps to get your business started. Step 2. Watch the free webinar for advanced strategies. If you're ready to dive even deeper, our free webinar on valueplusmore.com is packed with valuable strategies on building and scaling your affiliate business. You'll learn about content creation, how to drive more traffic to your links, and ways to increase conversions. This webinar is ideal for those looking to make serious progress, and it's entirely free. Step 3. Join our VIP members community. Once you've started, you may want to connect with others on a similar path. That's why we've created our VIP members community, a space where you can network with other affiliate marketers, ask questions, and get real-time advice. As a member, you'll also gain access to free courses on topics like SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns, which are key to scaling your affiliate business. Note: building a community around your business can give you the motivation and support to keep going, even when things get challenging. Step 4. Take your affiliate business on the go with the Profit Academy app. We know that life doesn't stop when you're building a business, which is why we created the Profit Academy app, available for free on Google Play Store. Whether you're looking for quick tips, need to check your progress, or want to access tools on the go, the app is packed with resources to help you stay on track no matter where you are. With Profit Academy, you can dive into tutorials, get the latest marketing updates, and find tools to support every step of your journey. Additional tips to maximize your earnings. Take notes. As you watch this video, jot down key points that stand out to you. Affiliate marketing can have a learning curve, so having a reference will help you as you build your business. Focus on value. Every piece of content you create should focus on providing value to your audience. The more you help your audience solve their problems, the more likely they'll trust your recommendations. Use the right links. Once you join affiliate programs, be strategic with your links. Add them naturally to your content where they provide the most benefit to viewers. Track and improve. Monitor what's working by checking your link clicks and conversions. If certain types of content are performing better, create more of that. Why valueplusmore.com? With so many online resources, it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's why valueplusmore.com brings all of these tools into one place, tailored specifically for beginners and growing marketers alike. By using our 4-step challenge to get started, our free webinar to deepen your knowledge, and joining our VIP members community for ongoing support, you have everything you need to start earning and scaling. And don't forget to check out the Profit Academy app for on-the-go guidance. Whether you're at your desk or on your phone, we're here to make sure you have access to the best resources for building a successful affiliate marketing business. Ready to get started? It's time to take action. Head to the description in the first comment for all the links to valueplusmore.com. Join us in the 4-step challenge, watch our free webinar, connect in our VIP community, and download the Profit Academy app on Google Play Store to stay connected. Thank you for watching, and let's start building your path to online income.